Hey guys, my name is Gus. I'm from Airstream Services, and I want to introduce you to the Ford Lightning F-150 bi-directional flow charger. We are able to get this Ford F-150 Pro charger with our CCS adapter and feed 500 volts DC from the truck all the way back to our intelligent backup home system. So Ford teamed up with Sunrun for this intelligent home backup system. And when your power gets disconnected, this is our automatic transfer switch that says, hey, we're gonna go ahead and flow the power backwards now to the house. And what we're able to do is we're able to get this inverter, so we feed power DC, 500 volts into it, change it to 240 volts, and we're able to get 40 amps out of that to be able to load manage into the house. And from there, we took it a step further. We teamed up with Lumen, so that way our customer can not only use their lighting circuit in the house, but they can use also their major loads, but it's controlled manually. So we default all of the small loads to come on at all times, and our bigger loads, we manually control it through the integrated app. So for your intelligent home backup, EV charging, or all electrical needs, call us today at Airstream Services.